Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this elegant updo in under 2 minutes. To start, we're going to take a chunk of hair from above the right ear and I'm going to leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face. Take the same size section on the opposite side and we're going to bring these together at the back of the head towards the left hand side. Secure them with an elastic band. Then pop a couple of fingers behind the elastic band, pass the ponytail to your fingers and pull it all the way through to create a twist. Sweep the remaining hair towards the right hand side and secure into a low ponytail at the right hand side of the neck. Again, pop a couple of fingers behind that elastic band at the top. Pass the new ponytail to your fingers and pull it all the way through. Combine all the hair together with another elastic band and then just pin the right hand side of that loop to the head to make it secure. Next, we're going to add another elastic band towards the end of the new ponytail, pulling it halfway through to create a loop. And all I'm going to do is roll this little loop towards that first one, rolling it towards the head, and then secure it with a couple of pins through the centre. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.